Hey guys, welcome to Progressive Recipe. In today's video, I will be sharing one of the training we did in our cake Ethiopia. Yes, this is a cake event for bakers in Calabar that happened on the 10th and 11th of August. Yes, this is for the 10th day, the 10th of August. This is the cake that we baked. You can call it cake or you call it, the real name is Swift roll. Yes, this is a good, beautiful recipe you can also use as a cake. First, separate your egg white. I'll be putting all the ingredients on the screen and also on my description box below. Separate all the egg whites and you start whisking with your mixer, standing or hand mixer. Take your time to do this. We're using 8 large eggs. So I'll be putting the full recipe on the screen for you to see. As the egg white is creaming or whisking on your mixer, go ahead and measure out your sugar. Yes, please, measurement is very important when it comes to baking. It's very, very important. If you're a baker, you don't have a scale, you need to get one. Make sure your egg white is looking this way. Yes, before you add your sugar, it's very, very important. Make sure yours is looking this way before you add in your sugar and continue mixing. Okay, measure out your flour. You can see he is receiving it again. He has sieved before and he's also sieving again right now as he measure it out. And you separate it. So right now, measure in your cornstarch. Yes. He's also adding it to the measurement of the flour. Also, as he sieve right inside the flour. Also add your salt to the dry ingredients and mix everything together and you set aside. To the egg yolk, you can add it to the measurement scale and you add your Hollandia evaporated milk, vanilla flavor, and you also add, right now we're adding the Hollandia evap according to the measurement wanted. So after that, you add in your vegetable oil according to the particular measurement wanted. You can use separate bowl or cups to measure out this separately before you mix them all together. And next, you add in your vinegar, water, and flavor. Like I said before, you can measure separately before you mix everything together. Separate the dry and wet ingredients together. But right here, he's taking the measurements on the scale all together. Okay, right now, mix all the dry ingredients together. We have the dry ingredients and also the liquid ingredients. Yes, we have the two, the dry and the liquid ingredients. So go ahead to add the liquid ingredients to the dry ingredients little at a time as you mix till you've added all. So mix everything together and you go get your egg white mixture. Make sure your own is looking this beautiful. You can see how beautiful and firm it's looking. You can even turn the bowl without nothing coming out. Start incorporating with the other batter. You have to mix little at a time till everything enters. Take your time to do this. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, I do different pastries I know you will love to see. Feel free to check out my other videos on my channel and enjoy. If you want to be a part of this family, just click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my newest video. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alerts of my new video. And to my old subscribers, thanks a million for coming back again. Everyone, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, like this beautiful video, encourage me by dropping a lovely comment. So take your time and incorporate everything together. Take your time to do that. At this time, you need to start on the oven and also greasing your pan with butter and you dust with flour. You can do this, or you do add paper, that's baking paper, to your cake pan before you pour in your batter. Immediately you are done, go ahead and pour in the batter into your cake pan. Yes, pour into your cake pan, tap a little on the table to close up air bubbles, and that is all.
Please, we are waiting for the oven to get hot, and then now in the meantime,
for the a little decoration, we'll be using whipped cream. Yes, 1 cup of whipped cream to 1 cup of cold chilled water, close to blocking. Yeah, 1 cup of whipped cream powder to 1 cup of cold chilled water, and you mix a little and you put back on your standing mixer to cream it beautifully well. So the whipped cream is purely ready right now. You can see how beautiful it's looking. So right now the oven is hot. We're taking it straight to the oven and cover. But for the purpose of this training, we'll have the already made one that was made at home, because if you prepare yours, you need to allow it to cool off completely so that it will be easy for you to work with and roll. So right now he's removing the excess by the side for a neat and beautiful finishing. This process is so important when it comes to Swiss roll. So after trimming out the excesses, go ahead and use your whipped cream on the top of the cake, on the top of our Swiss roll. Okay, please, it's very important to use baking paper, because the rolling part of this cake or Swiss roll is important, and only baking paper can help you achieve your aim. So watch closely as he rolls our Swiss roll out beautifully fine. Immediately you start, you need to take your time and do this little at a time. Be very careful not to allow yours to break. Yes, because if it's break, you have to start from the beginning. Very important, because your client wants to see that roll effects. So immediately you're done rolling, make sure you put pressure at the end to help firm up every. You can pop up in your fridge to cool a little while before you cut, or you can choose to cut immediately, no problem. You can also decide to decorate the top. Some might love leaving theirs this way and cut, while some might love to sprinkle something on the top. So we'll be using our whipped cream on the top of the Swiss roll, and also sprinkles on the top. Like I said before, if you're new to my channel, you want to be a member of this lovely channel, just tap on the subscribe button. You'll be getting notification whenever we post new video. Yes, and to my old subscribers, thanks for tuning in today. So it's time to cut. Please pardon our baker. Yes, our tutor. He is using his bare hands, but his hands are neat. So if you want to use your bare hands and work, make sure your hands are neat. Or you go ahead and use your gloves. Look at that beauty. Isn't this beautiful? You can sprinkle colors of sprinkle to this, and it's looking so nice and beautiful. I know you love what you've seen right now. Feel free to give me some thumbs up. Like my video. Thanks a million for watching. Bye bye.